This 2022 Grand Design Solitude 346 FLS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Grand Design is 37 feet 11 inches in length and features 5 slideouts, sleeps 6, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, leveling jacks, awning, stovetop burner, microwave, oven, air conditioning, skylight, TV, and 93 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features couples coach, front entertainment, front living area, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Grand Design Solitude 346 FLS is 14,222 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.